Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a couple of videos earlier about how to get this rectangle on top of that circle in the dead center and right at the line. And I failed to mention probably the easiest way. If you go up to View and have Snap to Objects on, you can grab your rectangle and go to the bottom node till you get your cross midpoint moving handles, and it'll snap right to the top quadrant. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Maybe it'll show it better. So let's move it off. I'm going to grab, see the 4-point corner lines or 4 arrows? Wow, it snapped it right to the quadrant. And just kind of prove it's in dead center. Let's bring in an indexing line, and they're both dead center, and you're right on top of the line if that's where you want it to be. So that's probably the quickest way, because you could do it with any size object. Wouldn't have to use math. Just wait till you get that 4 points and it'll actually snap right to it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.